Salutations to all our future judges. In this video, there is going to be some important announcements. There will be three important announcements in this particular video. The first important announcement is that the channel is planning to bring videos in Hindi language also. The intention behind is this: there are nearly 4 Hindi speaking states where the number of vacancies for the civil judge or even the district judge is more. So, a person who is not from a Hindi belt or Hindi speaking state should also get an opportunity to write exams in those states also. So, those who have basic knowledge in Hindi can understand this Hindi based videos in a very easy manner. I would like to know your comments in this regard. Plus, you can even press the thumbs up button and show your willingness or like in this particular regard. The second announcement is that, as assured to you, there will be various videos describing or creating a story of legal luminaries in India who made great revolution, who made a great change in the society, who brought various amendments to law to make our society a better society, to help the people who are in India. And in addition to this, there would be various instances which happened in their life which would be quite interesting to you, which could also be an inspiration to you. As assured, videos in this regard would also be brought in too soon. And the third announcement is that the channel is intending to take interns, for which our public subscribers would be called for, and one among those subscribers would be selected based on a test, and once they are selected, they would be given a stipend and they would be trained in drafting, court crafts, and they would also be trained for the various judicial exams which are being conducted. I hope this would be of a great opportunity to all the viewers and subscribers. It would be a chance to earn and a chance to learn. And in addition to this, I would like to thank you for all the support you have been rendering all these days. Our channel has crossed 1000 subscribers, 23,000 views, 1750 hours of watch time within a short period. You all made this possible. We are growing exponentially. My heartfelt thanks for your support in this regard. With respect to the announcements made in this channel, please let the channel know your opinion by way of comments. And the next aspect is, if you are a subscriber and if you want to apply for the internship program where you would be given a stipend, please ensure that you convert yourself into a public subscriber. Technically, YouTube does not display the name of the subscriber who is not a public subscriber. So unless you convert yourself into a public subscriber, there is a very remote chance that the channel would know that you are a subscriber to this channel. Hence, convert yourself to the public subscription before applying for the internship program. If you like the video, please do press the thumbs up button. Do share the channel with your friends and motivate them. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. I hope the aspects which have been brought in by this channel would be of great use and utility to you. And the intention of the channel is to ensure that each and everyone who is watching the videos should get some benefit out of watching these videos. Let us join hands together and contribute for a learned society. Thank you.